Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to upload or embed document file types like PDF, PPT, PowerPoint, Docs in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see general, global embed iframe. You see embed iframe width 600 pixel, embed iframe height 600 pixel. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then you see shortcode, so click on it. So we are going to generate shortcode and then we are going to add code in any page with any builder, Gutenberg, Elementor editor. So we are in shortcode. Now go to media library. If you want, you can add external URL or you can upload document file in your media library and then use URL. Now you see file URL, copy, back to code. Now paste here and then click on generate. Now you see copy link. Now you see embedpress has direct integration with classic, Gutenberg and Elementor editor. So you can add this code on anywhere you want. Now go to page and then click on paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. So we embed doc file, so you can add PDF, PowerPoint, any file. Now you see this is our document file. So we embed. Now you see page 1 of 1. You see multiple option. So in this way you can embed or view file in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.